Here we've got Xiaomi POCO X4 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, switch to contact list, and then select the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. Now tap on Edit Contact and click on Add Photo. You can either take a photo if someone is sitting right in front of you, or you can choose it from your gallery. Let me choose a photo. Here you can pick your own gallery, like this device's gallery, Google Photos or File Manager. Let me choose the gallery. And now just pick the picture that you would like to apply. You can smoothly personalize the picture, just like this. And tap on OK. Then click on Save. And as you can see, from now on, this profile picture is assigned to this particular contact. And that would be all. This is it. This is how you can add photo to contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.